Hello, my name is Kyndra. Welcome back to our videos. The last time we did a mermaid video. So today we are gonna do the pillow that's light up. It's called Bright Light Pillow. The pillow that lights up. So it says extra soft, smoothing light, uses 3 AA batteries, shuts off after 15 minutes. Over here it has a crack, but over here it has a picture of how it lights up. So let's take a closer look inside. So we'll just put this on the side. There is a little zipper. Open that up, and then there's a black one. I unscrewed it right over here. It takes a lot of work. I put this and slide it out, and then put the batteries in. So like it's up, down, up. It's 3 AA batteries, and then you just screw it back and then put it back in. Zip it with the zipper, and then once you press this, you can't see it, but I'm gonna make it light up and turn off the lights in 3, 2, 1. So now that it's lighting up, you can see it kind of rainbow, and it's changing color every time. So it goes like to red, to rainbow, to purple, to blue. Yeah. So it's really soft, which you can tell, and you'll have so much fun with it. But as soon as it's 50 minutes, it will turn off by itself. So now to not waste battery, I'm gonna turn the lights back on again in 3, 2, 1. It's really easy to do and to sleep with, so it'll help you sleep with more. I had so much fun with it, and thank you. Please subscribe here down below us, put in more comments, and subscribe to our channel. Bye.